How to stream Netflix on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search discord.com. Log into your account. After that, simply open Netflix in your device. Then go to Discord and join the voice channel on the left side. After you've joined the voice channel, in here you'll find share your screen option. Click on it. After you click on share your screen, select Netflix. Then press on share at the bottom. After you've pressed on share at the bottom, your screen will be shared. From here you can watch anything you want after you've signed in. And this is how to stream Netflix on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.